Are you looking for tree removal in New Jersey? Amazing Tree Services is a tree removal company in New Jersey that has been providing professional tree removal service in New Jersey for homeowners and property developers at affordable prices and with great customer care. Our tree removal services include tree cutting, tree pruning, tree trimming, stump grinding, and more. To get a free tree removal estimate in New Jersey, contact Amazing Tree Services at 973-343-6868.